Hello everyone, today I will share my lazy Saturday lunch routine. So guys, I am going to prepare broccoli kadi. Here I have taken 1 cup yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of gram flour to the yogurt. Now add required green chilli paste. So here I have taken 2 spoons of green chilli paste because they are not so spicy. Add salt to taste and mix it very well with the required water. So guys, let's prepare the curry now. Here I have taken 2 spoons of oil and heated up. Added mustard seeds, jeera seeds, red chillies, and you can also add curry leaves. Now add curry mixture and boil it for few minutes. Now we will make broccoli bhaji. So here I have taken 2 tablespoons of gram flour in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, green chilli paste, add 1 spoon of dhaniya powder and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. We will get into nice consistency by adding water slowly. For the broccoli bhaji preparation, I have taken appam pan and added oil. So guys, here I have taken freshly chopped broccoli and added to the bhaji mixture, and I am going to add this to the appam pan and cook it on a low flame. Cover the lid. Once the bhaji is cooked one side, now we will turn it slowly and cook it for a while. We need to cover the lid again. So guys, I will be adding broccoli bhaji to the curry now, and I am not going to cook it. I will just add the broccoli bhaji and cover the lid. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve it. Let's prepare Bendi Fry in a different way. Add salt to the chopped bendi and microwave it for 5 minutes. Now we will tamper with mustard seeds and urad dal. Add turmeric powder and also bendi, which we have kept for microwave for 5 minutes. So they are already cooked and we will just pan fry them for few minutes. Add red chilli powder and give it a nice mix and serve this. So guys, here completes my Saturday lunch routine, and please check the description box for the detailed ingredients, and thanks for watching.